Hi friends, happy Teachers Day. Today we are going to discuss Sarvepalli Radhakrishna biography video. A tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna on occasion of Teachers Day. Guru is regarded as Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, the Holy Trinity. The greatness of Guru is dealt with high respect in our Indian culture. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. A teacher is a person who makes the child grow after his birth. Celebrate this occasion on the birthday of a great teacher, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He was born on 5th September 1888 and was elected as the first Vice President of India in 1952. When he became president, people wanted to celebrate his birthday. He said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." He was a politician, professor, and a great philosopher of his times. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954 and the Order of Merit in 1963. He received the Princess of Prize of the German Book Trade in 1961. He was the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University from 1931 to 1936. Dr. Radhakrishna was a personification of a palette of ideal of philosophical king. He greatly admired Mahatma Gandhi and wrote a book on him named Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great diplomat and represented India with dignity and courage wherever he went. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna with then President of USA John F. Kennedy, with the last Viceroy to Indian from Britain Mr. and Mrs. Mountbatten and Johara. Dr. Radhakrishna guided each of the Prime Minister wisely. He refused to continue for another term as President after his term ended in 1967. His message, teachers should be the best mind in the country. His views on education, education should be imparted with a view to the type of a society that we wish to build. We are working for a modern democracy built on the values of human dignity and equality. These are only ideals. We should make them living. Courses. Our vision of the future should include these great principles. Science has taught us how to fly in the sky like a bird. It has taught us how to dive in the ocean like a fish. It has not taught us how to walk on the earth like a human being. All system of education aim the education of the old man through in practice they lay undue emphasis on physical efficiency or intellectual alertness or spiritual voice. Science and technology, literature, and art and philosophy and religion are varied manifestation of the spirit of man. They do not contradict one another but complement one another. The spirit in man sight in judgment on nature, discover its secret and increase our knowledge of nature. In art and literature, the same spirit deals with the moods and expansion the intense experience of the human individual, especially his inner being. The same spirit probes into the mystery of the world, tries to understand a little of it. Literature and art are a dialogue of the spirit with oneself. Philosophy and religion are dialogue of the spirit with the supreme mystery which undies the universe. When properly understood, science and religion help each other. His works, he wrote books on Indian philosophy, idealist view of life. He wrote commentaries on Prasthana Travi, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan passed away on April 17, 1975. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.